For the second 3-year period in a row, our production plant in Drongen, Belgium, has been awarded with a prestigious title. We can proudly call ourselves Factory of the Future. My name is Geert Brugman, Innovation Scout, and in this video I get to explain one of the crucial success factors in the assessment we went through to qualify for this award. It's called the adaptation of customer-focused engineering. In a nutshell, this means that a factory of the future uses customer expectations as the key driver and starting point for all new developments and processes. The high-quality product manufacturing and service creation processes that come out of this should be the result of a cross-functional and cross-departmental design approach. I realize that this is quite a mouthful, but allow me to break it down for you. Let's start with the most obvious. Our customers expect a high-quality, consistent product to come out of our factory. Timely produced, swiftly delivered, and in a lot of cases customized to their specific needs. That is why, with a multidisciplinary team of experts, from product management over R&D right up to the sales and distribution, we designed a production flow for our expanded factory that specifically enables us to meet all those requirements. From the inspection of incoming raw materials, right up to the automated dosage of ingredients and the flexibility of our mixing and packing lines, we are equipped to put out made-to-order batches quickly and flawlessly, regardless of the specifications or volume. As we continuously fine-tune our production flows, we maintain an extraordinary level of care for the quality of every finished product. This process is run and supervised by interdepartmental project teams, always of course with a solid representation of customer-facing profiles such as sales, after-sales and service. Our renewed factory even has dedicated mixing lines for tests and trials that can be used for the co-creation of very specific solutions together with product development teams on our customer side. Once this high standard and highly customized product has been delivered to our customer, you might assume that our work is done, but nothing is true. We see it as our responsibility to enable our customers to get the maximum value out of our product's practical application. With dedicated advice and with smart technology, we go far to remain at our customer's side. In terms of service and optimization solutions, we have developed specialized applications such as PolterNext and FarmNext that enable our customers to embrace the power of digital data to monitor and improve their performance. Other programs such as sensor-based animal health and performance monitoring and the development of comprehensive non-medicated feeding strategies are all designed to help our customers reach their goal, meet industry and government requirements, and improve their overall bottom line.